Moving over to the other side, if you've got a high pH soil, you might have seen that I recommended some gypsum out there. Now, these are...
This is going to be good. I think I know where he's going with this. Let's see what he says.
The gypsum is going to do the opposite because it has sulfur. Sulfur.
Yes. Yes, this guy is so delusional. If you don't know that gypsum as calcium sulfate doesn't have an effect on pH, that's fine. If you don't recognize that, if you go, well, it has sulfate in it, I thought it did, that's fine. I get it. Not everybody knows that. But if you're going to get on YouTube and convince people to buy your goods and services and say that, I'm going to call you out. I'm sorry. There is no effect that gypsum has on soil pH as a result of the sulfate, except in sodic soils. That's it. Gypsum is a neutral salt. Sulfate has already been oxidized. It's the oxidation process of sulfur that results in the increase in acidity, the reduction in pH. Sulfate doesn't do that. It doesn't matter. Like I said, I completely empathize if you don't know that. I don't know a lot of stuff about soils too. I mean, you can't know everything, but if you don't know it, great, no problem. But don't get on YouTube and start trying to convince people that you know what you're talking about and you need to buy my products because I use sulfated materials to lower the soil pH. It's complete nonsense. It is the epitome of BS. He doesn't care. John Perry doesn't care if what he's saying is true. If he did, all you got to do is open up a book. Here. All you got to do is open up a book. Let's see how long it takes for me to find that sulfur or sulfate doesn't influence pH. Oh, here it is. I found it. So we'll stop the clock. Stop the clock. I'm going to read this paragraph. As sulfur is oxidized by thiobacillus, hydrogen ions are produced that can acidify the soil. Thus, high elemental sulfur in some additions, like acid rain or sulfur as an amendment, can decrease soil pH. However, sulfate alone, such as in irrigation water or fertilizers, does not acidify soil except as sulfuric acid, H2SO4. All you got to do is open up a book. It's not that hard. It's really not that difficult. I mean, if you're a homeowner, I get it, don't. But if you're going to get on YouTube and start trying to, quote unquote, educate people on soil series 3, you would think you would at least open up a book first. He doesn't. That's all you got to do. This is a bullshit-icide. I invented a pesticide just the other day, a new class. It's called a book. Okay? That's all it is. Go to a library. You can get these things for free and read them at a library.